looks so nice in his uniform. I'm enchanted by his smile. I can't help feeling sentimental when he walks me down the aisle. I'm in love with the new heartbreaker at the Bijou movie. I'm in love with the ticket taker at the Bijou movie. Better than ever now, even if I've seen them before. Why should I care what's showing? Common attractions at the door. 'Cause I'm in love with the new